I really was blown away at the neuropathy turnout. I could not believe that 42 people signed up. Like, we just started announcing the workshop for falls at the end of this month, and I think I have 23 people signed up, and we just started the process in Physio Funnels a week ago. What you've been teaching, it works. It's working. I'm an outpatient orthopedic clinic. We are mostly insurance, and we do Medicare concierge. I opened. And I was doing the same thing over and over until I met you in 2017. And then that's really when things took off. I've been running workshops ever since I met you. It is a great way to keep connecting with the community. I mean, they've been super successful. So I'm doing them more regular than I was, and they're being filled very rapidly. So Physio Funnels is doing awesome, as well as just our outreach. I can't think of why you wouldn't do them. Last month I had to do 2 because we had such an overwhelming response for the neuropathy. I could not believe that 42 people signed up. So I had to split it into 2 different workshops. It was just really, really fun to have an exciting thing where people can see some result right then and there. 23 booked a discovery right away. So I had staff there to book people right after. The people that are showing up that are just excited and ready to go. Like, we just started announcing the workshop for falls at the end of this month, and I think I have 23 people signed up, and we just started the process in Physio Funnels a week ago. It's just building. It's just momentum that just keeps going. And it's just, I guess I just sat and kind of giggle. You'll be amazed at what it does for your confidence and for your team, your patient rapport, your brand. I can't think of any negatives other than you just kind of have to get over the public speaking bit. But now I'm like, that's just no big deal. What you've been teaching, it works. It's working.